Wait, did you know you can now take your favorite YouTube videos anywhere on your phone without paying for premium? Or that you can finally pin more than just a comment to engage your fans? 2026 has brought some massive, pin-style, updates to YouTube, and if you aren't using them, you're leaving views on the table. Let's dive in. 2. Global Picture-in-Picture. First up is the global rollout of Picture-in-Picture. For years, this was locked behind a premium paywall for most of the world. Now, YouTube is finally letting everyone pin their video player to the corner of their screen. Whether you're texting a friend or checking your emails, the video stays right there. For us creators, this is huge. It means our viewers stay connected to our content longer, even when they're multitasking. 3. Pinned community posts. Next, we have a major upgrade to the Community tab. You've always been able to pin a comment under your video, but now you can pin a community post to the top of your feed. If you have a big announcement, a new poll, or a sponsored link, you can pin it so it's the first thing your fans see when they visit your channel page. It's like having a digital billboard for your brand. 4. The Monetization PIN. And for my fellow creators close to hitting that first $100, don't forget about the AdSense PIN. YouTube has streamlined the verification process in 2026. Make sure your address is updated so your physical PIN arrives on time, or check if you're eligible for the new, instant digital verification, if it's available in your region. Don't let a missing PIN hold up your paycheck. 5. Summary and CTA. YouTube is becoming more about multitasking and community engagement than ever before. Which of these pinning features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the algorithm this year, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.